Hello, my name is Prof Arendse, and I would like to tell you about the year-end tax updates that I'll be doing for tax faculty. During the month of November, I will be doing 4 live seminars of 3 hours or 4 hours each, and then there will also be two 2-hour webinars covering the same material. So there are a number of opportunities for you to engage and get updated on all the latest amendments, tax case judgments, SARS documents, and all the other important developments that have happened in the tax field during the course of this year. We've had a number of far-reaching amendments coming through. These will be finalized and we'll have the final legislation, certainly not promulgated, but certainly the final legislation to be tabled before Parliament. That will come through in time for us to cover that in the year-end updates. And so this is your opportunity to get up to speed with all the latest tax changes, also very important judgments that have come through during the course of this year, and SARS documents. So join me during the course of November. You can choose whether you want to come to a live seminar or to log into two 2-hour webinars, and it'll give you 4 hours of tax CPD. Look forward to seeing you then.